Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn the open source Mayo CAD viewer to open the DXF and step file without FreeCAD. And here you can see that I have a sheet metal part and I have its flat pattern sketch which I have exported it as a DXF file here. And I have one model of a bracket. So here I have exported this unfolded sketch into the DXF, and I have also exported this sheet metal panel into the step file, and I have also exported this bracket into the step file. So here I have exported the sheet metal panel into the step. I have exported my bracket into the step, and I have the DXF. And let's move to the Mayo CAD viewer. So here it is a bracket which is open in a Mayo CAD viewer, and let's move to the panel. Here the sheet metal panel and graphical user face of a Mayo CAD viewer is very beautiful. It provides more space on the screen, and let's go to the DXF. And DXF is also open here with the angle also shown here, and best part is that you can also measure the distance. Like here, if I go with the length, if I select any edge, I can get this length like it is a 30. If I move to the model and let's go to the measure, and here I wanted to measure the diameter, circle diameter, and select this. So this is a 15 mm circle. So Mayo CAD viewer is a very good tool to open the step file, and let's dive into the deep of a Mayo CAD viewer, how you can install it. So here it is an official GitHub page of a Mayo CAD viewer, github.com/fougue/mayo, and here you will find the key feature of a Mayo CAD viewer. So let's deep dive into the features. So let's explore the basics of a Mayo CAD viewer. First thing is that convert 3D files, like most common file format like step, IGS, and STL. Visualize 3D file. It supports the clipping plane, explode assemblies, and measurement of the shape. Cross platform. It runs on all major operating system, Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Now let's move to the features, like clipping plane is there, explode the model assembly, measure tool, 3D cube view, which we have saw here. If you go on Mayo CAD viewer, then you will find the cube, and you can analyze with the front, top, and right. Measuring tool, I have explained you by measuring the diameters, and exploding of assembly tree. You can also explode inside of a Mayo CAD viewer, quick access to the CAD file, toggle item tree, and here a complete list is given about the file format. Most common format is a step and IGS, which engineers use, and then DXF, and basically most important one is a STL for the 3D printing. It comes with a keyboard shortcut, and it provides the all essential tool for visualization, rotate, pan, zoom. And now let's come to the installation part of this. If you are aware about how to install the software using the Git, then here is a command winget install, and you can use through the PowerShell. And if you are not familiar and you are not a heavy tech guy, then you can go to the release page, and here you can download the exe file and run on your system. And you can also visit this GitHub page, and best part is that it is an open source and built on the open cascade technology, and solid foundation is developed with a modern C++ with Qt and open cascade. So use the Mayo CAD viewer. It is a very lightweight, and it is a very clean and neat. It does not provide you the unnecessary tools, and for the heavy model visualization, this is a very good tool. If you have CAD models from the other softwares like a SolidWorks, Inventor, or any CAD model, so you can easily visualize it. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time. If you wanted to master FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my FreeCAD course on a Gumroad. You will find the link in a video description as well as in a pin comment. This course have the structure based learning, and this course will take you from absolute beginner to the confident FreeCAD user. So never forget to check out the link in a video description and in a pin comment.